Hi guys, in this video I show you how to create an image gallery carousel in Wix Studio. Let's go. First we are going to add a new section for our image gallery. Now we are going to add a pro gallery. Click on add an element, then click on media, and right here under pro galleries we can find a gallery which is very nice. Let's select this one. We are going to replace these default images or just choose any of the Wix media library. Click on manage media and then click on deselect. After that, click on add media image, then upload your images or just select the ones you want to have in your gallery. Click on update and now you can change the order by just clicking on them, dragging them around. So find the right position for every image inside your gallery. Once you finished it, just click on done. To adjust the layout, for example, click on the settings from your image gallery. Then under layout, you can change the layout, for example, using columns, but we are going to use the slider. Then click on design and overlay and icons. Scroll down until you see the overlay effect. You can change it from fade in to expand or other effects. Then go back and click on navigation arrows. Here you can change the arrow style, for example this one for more visibility, and also change the arrow size so it's easier to click on it. Go back and click on item style. If you scroll down, you can change a hover over effect, for example from zoom in into invert or even shrink. Then go back and click on scroll animations. Here you can change the scroll animation from slide in into expand or just use the slide in, which is very good. Then go back and click on advanced. Here you are able to loop videos if you have videos instead of images. So adjust everything as you need it, close the window and then click on preview in the top right corner. And this is how it looks like. Click on the navigation arrows to see that it's working perfectly. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.